Hey, what is up guys? It's Cool Freak here, and in this tutorial I will show you how can you solve your network problem in Jio. So let's get started. So guys, recently I had jumped onto a new roam. It's nice though, but getting some network issue in it. So it's showing emergency call only. So guys, here's the simple steps you can follow. So first go to the settings, then more. And for those who are not having more options, then they can find this section where VPN and mobile network lies. So go to the mobile network. After in the mobile network setting, you can find preferred network type. Open that. So as you can see guys, and you should know that Jio SIM only supports 4G, that is LTE and GSM. So I will select my preference type. After that, go back, then open your dialer and type one code, that is star hash 4636 hash star. So you will be getting this, and then open the phone info. In that, as you can see, there is a set preference network type. Then select that and set it to LTE GSM auto PRL, the fourth option in my case. Then after that, simply reboot your device. So guys, as you can see, Jio network is showing, but it's not the end. More to go. As you're watching this usage data, that is of 0.26 MB. In my case, it's nothing but when your network gets enabled, it uses some kind of data to receive your internet settings. In that case, if your internet is working, then well and good. But for someone who did not get the settings, can go and check the access point. In my case, when I enable the data, but when I browse to the internet, it's showing that check your internet connection. So in that case, go to the same, you know so in that case, go to same as previous one, settings, more, mobile options, that is mobile network. But now open your APN. So you people might having some different settings over here. If you did not found any Geo settings enabled, then just follow this small step. As you can see, the plus button at the top, tap on to it, then you will be watching this edit access point. In that, then go to name and type internet, no caps on, then hit OK. Then go to APN, the second step, and type Jio Net, then hit OK. After that, do not mess up with the other things, so just keep it normal. After that, save the edit access point. Always remember that guys, do not put any others network property, otherwise you will be in huge trouble. So not kind of trouble, but you will be not getting any kind of internet to browse. So then after that, simply enable it by tapping on the Geo option. So guys, as you can probably see, it will take changes, so have some patience. Then guys, after that, no need to reboot, just enable and disable aeroplane mode. So after that guys, enable data, then go to any browser, search anything you want to in Ignito window or normal window, you know what I mean. So guys, let me show you the speed. So I have already downloaded the speed tester, the famous one. uh, by the way, I stay near army area, so some kind of jammer I don't know are over here. So I have some network issue before also, and now in present day, Geo facing some lots of network issue. So in that case, before I used to get 80% of the network, but now it decreased to 50%, or sometime it goes to 30% of the efficiency. So let's get back to the testing speed. So as you can see, the ping is around 134. Download is 3.36, but guys, it goes up. Believe me, it goes up. So it's not that too bad. Before that, I'm used to getting 1 to 3 mbps downloading. Then it was showing, 20 to 30 mbps. And at first, when I bought the sim, it was, you know you won't believe, it goes to 50 to 60 mbps. But now you can see the results. Let me download one thing from Google Play. So guys, the speed is around 800 747 kbps. So let me download one more thing, like YouTube. So guys, as you can see, it's giving around 1 mbps. That's sufficient in this case. And I came to my terrace to record this video so that I can get some speed. By the way, I have better broadband though. So guys, this is probably it. Hope you get this video important. Then please hit the like button, and if you are not subscribed yet, then it's the time to do so. Share this video, comment if you want to ask something. I would love to answer them. So guys, I will catch you in my upcoming video, so stay tuned for more good stuff. That's it for today, and have a good day. See you guys later.